Top 13 must-visit places in Switzerland in 2023. Hey there, fellow travelers and adventure seekers. Welcome back to our channel, the go-to destination for all things travel, job seeking, and visa advice. Today, we're embarking on a thrilling journey through Switzerland, a country known for its breathtaking landscapes, charming cities, and rich culture. But before we dive into the top 13 best places to visit in this Alpine wonderland, let me ask you a question. Have you ever dreamed of exploring the picturesque Swiss countryside, skiing down pristine slopes, or savoring mouth-watering Swiss chocolates? If the answer is yes, and I'm guessing it probably is, then you're in for a treat. Switzerland has so much to offer, from the medieval charm of Bern to the cosmopolitan vibes of Zurich, and from the majestic Matterhorn to the tranquil Lake Lugano. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right into this comprehensive guide. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content. 1. Bern, the medieval marvel. Our Swiss adventure begins in the heart of the country, Bern. This UNESCO World Heritage city is like a step back in time with its cobbled streets, clock towers, and charming arcades. 2. Basel, the cultural hub. Next up, we'll head to Basel, known for its vibrant cultural scene and world-class museums. You won't want to miss out on the Fundación Baylor or the stunning Rhine River views. 3. Schaffhausen, Rhine Falls. Now, picture this, you're standing in front of Europe's largest waterfall, the Rhine Falls, located in Schaffhausen. It's a mesmerizing sight and a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. 4. Gimmelwald and Mürren, Alpine bliss. For those seeking a true Alpine experience, Gimmelwald and Mürren are the hidden gems you've been looking for. These charming mountain villages offer stunning vistas, and a chance to reconnect with nature. 5. Lucerne, the jewel by the lake. Nestled by the beautiful Lake Lucerne, this city is a perfect blend of history and natural beauty. Don't forget to take a cruise on the lake and visit the iconic Chapel Bridge. 6. Zurich, the financial capital. Zurich, the financial capital of Switzerland, is also a vibrant hub for culture and shopping. Explore the old town or enjoy some retail therapy on Bahnhofstrasse. 7. The Matterhorn, majestic beauty. No visit to Switzerland is complete without witnessing the grandeur of the Matterhorn, one of the world's most iconic peaks. Whether you're hiking or just admiring it from afar, this is a must-see. 8. Gruyères, cheese lovers' paradise. For cheese aficionados, a trip to Gruyères is a pilgrimage. Taste the world-famous Gruyère cheese and wander through the charming medieval village. 9. Lake Lugano, Mediterranean flair. Imagine relaxing by the shores of Lake Lugano, surrounded by a Mediterranean-like ambience. It's the perfect destination for a tranquil getaway. 10. Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe. Now, let's ascend to the top of Europe, Jungfraujoch. This high-altitude wonderland offers stunning views and activities like snow sports and ice cave exploration. 11. Interlaken, Adventure Central. Just nearby, we have Interlaken, the adventure capital of Switzerland. Whether you're into paragliding or hiking, this place has it all. 12. Lugano, Swiss-Italian fusion. Lugano, with its Italian influence, offers a unique Swiss experience. Explore the vibrant squares and enjoy delicious Mediterranean cuisine. 13. Zermatt, Alpine skiing paradise. Finally, Zermatt, a haven for winter sports enthusiasts. Skiing in the shadow of the Matterhorn is an experience you'll never forget. And there you have it, our whirlwind tour of the top 13 best places to visit in Switzerland. Whether you're drawn to the medieval charm of Bern, the alpine beauty of Zermatt, or the cultural wonders of Basel, Switzerland has something for everyone. If this video has ignited your wanderlust, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow travel enthusiasts, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel content. Your support means the world to us. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and chasing your dreams. Switzerland awaits, and who knows where our next adventure will take us. Safe travels, everyone.